Adam took me to his humble abode in London.
Humble abode, so where we are.
Earlier that day we got the train to London together, and that was my personal favourite part of the whole trip because this random woman said that Ollie looked like an angry bird and it made me die. But anyway, we arrived in London in the afternoon, and then this is just us chilling for a while before we go to a mini golf thing, which is like a mini golf and bar.
NASA! What's the curling? We've got a problem where we keep...
Let me show them what I got from Urban.
Oh yeah, true. Urban Hall. Right, we don't need 2 of these, Ollie. This is so confusing. Okay, right. Go.
The baby.
Oh!
Oh, what's it doing? That white blouse.
Nice little white blouse.
In the sale.
£21, pretty good, pretty good. How you do the whole road from that angle?
This top.
Wow!
Look at the sun now.
Beautiful. We're at this really fancy bar. This is the roof. We've already been seeing that.
Are we going back in the lift?
This is the bar. Yeah, we are. Do you want me to do it?
Show them the lift.
£1,000.
We're just moving now to the next place.
We're going to the next place.
Can't get out.
You keep on giving me the hold up. You know I wish you'd make your mind up. Cause when we getting on it so, you used to be my Romeo.
What?
Okay, bearded women apparently the cheaters out there. Where are we going?
A bar that just knows, and we're gonna eat.
It's really good.
We're gonna drink. We're gonna drink. We're now getting ready for bed. Ollie and Adam are up there, and you can't really see. Nicole's over there. Luke's over there. It's hard to see. And this is my bed, and I've got Star Wars bedding, so I'm chuffed about that. What do you want to say?
Basically, so we were all sort of changing down here, like crouching down, and I was about to like whip off, and then I forgot that like Ollie was there, and so when I was crouching down, he could look down.
Risky business.
So now the nips are out for Ollie.
Hello.
This is what I see in the morning.
This is how I'm gonna wake you up every morning.
In the morning I woke up and there was a massive spider on the wall above my head, which was great. And then we were meant to go ice skating, but it was all booked up, so we settled for bowling and did the ice skating the next day. I did terribly at bowling, but I think Adam or Ollie won in the end, and it was a good experience.
Oh no.
Oh no. Down. Oh, of course, no one. Don't worry, guys.
It's okay. Hattie, where are we? We're in the zoo.
It's called Raphael Park, if I am right.
Rayful.
When are we going to sit down? Because I'm going to like...
That bench right there.
Okay, cool. Where's the bench?
Just there. Run ahead, run ahead.
I don't think I can run. We sat in this park for a while to kill some time, and then a bit later we had a carvery, and it was so good. Oh my god, it was incredible. The next morning we went ice skating, and it was so much fun. Like, I've never had that much fun in years.